Hello from Oldham Volkswagen. Here we have the approved used Volkswagen Golf 8 Life 2.0 TDI, 115 PS, and our stunning Atlantic blue metallic finish. This stunning car comes with these amazing alloy wheels that look absolutely incredible and provide a really sporty look to the car. We then have the wing mirrors that we can push in when locked to provide safety for the vehicle, just ensuring they don't get damaged in any way. This is great for residential parking, just ensuring they don't get damaged because we all know that kids play on the road and they sometimes don't care about other people's property. If you find yourself using the boot space quite a lot, this car might be perfect for you because it comes with this spacious boot size that's big enough to pop a weekly shop inside. And if you do require any additional height, we do have a compartment here that we can access where we also have storage space for a spare wheel as well. And this is great if you require that extra space. Unlike any other Golf, this car does come with a tow bar as well, which is very unique on this car and really elevate your experience when using it. Coming into the back of the car, you'll see that the car looks like it's barely been sat in as it's been kept in that good of condition. And then coming around to the front, you can also see that the interior of the corn silk beige and black interior upholstery looks absolutely outstanding. And then in the centre console, we have this armrest that really lifts up to become a storage compartment to fit items such as face masks inside. The car comes with 2 keys and a leather owner's manual, which is ideal if you have multiple uses of the car. And this car has only had one previous owner, which means that they've kept it in fantastic condition. Coming into this car, you'll see we have this beautiful multifunction steering wheel that enables access to the dashboard display. And then it also has a heated functionality on the steering wheel to keep your hands nice and toasty. And also have the automatic headlight controls to the right, just ensuring they're on at the correct times. And we have the central locking on the driver's door, as well as the wing mirror controls as well. So using the start-stop button, the car roars into life as all the displays activate, and now we gain access to this wheel's functionality. Simply press this button on the steering wheel and we can access all its functions. Functions such as the speed, acceleration, compass, destination info, settings, no display, driving time / distance, average speed, navigation, audio, and telephone as well. On our infotainment system, we can access our telephone, radio, navigation, vehicle, App Connect, users, sound, and shop. And on the next page, we have our background. This is how we can access our ambient lighting pack. We can really change the mood and tone of your driving experience. It works better at night, but as you can see, it does change the colours on the display. And we can also add our own colour combinations as well directly through this function, which is fantastic. Coming out of this and then going into telephone, we can make calls directly through the car via Bluetooth. This does work in conjunction with the voice command functionality as well. And as we go into App Connect, we have the access to the Android Auto, Apple CarPlay and MirrorLink. This allows us to display our phone through the car to access stuff as Google Maps navigation. However, this car does come with a built-in navigation system, which is fantastic because it's incredibly detailed and will keep you in the loop and on track to your required destination with precision and quickness. It broadens your horizon when it comes to travel, which is a favourite feature of mine because I think the best journeys are the ones that are unexpected. You can also have this display on your cluster as well. Into our assist features, you can see we can access all these fantastic features such as the driver alert system. We have the front assist for emergency braking, which is great in built-up traffic. We have the adaptive cruise control, which is great on motorway, giving you a comfortable experience. Dynamic road sign display, and our lane assist as well, which works great with the adaptive cruise control. Going into the climate, you can see we can access our heated seats directly through it. Press once to activate and all the way till it off. Same again on the opposite side, and this creates the emulated warmth of a summer's day, bringing it directly to those cold wintry drives. Going into our parking pilot features, we can also access the parking sensors front and back and the rear camera, which just provides safety and confidence on every manoeuvre. As we all know, sometimes parking space is incredibly difficult, and that's why the sensors and rear camera come in handy so well. So when popping the car into reverse, you'll see these sensors automatically display on screen for us, so you don't need to actually worry about doing this when doing our manoeuvres, but it does help when trying to fit into tight gaps on tight streets. Thanks for watching. This has been the outstanding Volkswagen Golf. If you have any further questions or want to have a look at the car for yourself, please give us a call on 0161 413 5117. We're more than happy to provide more information on this vehicle.